everyone, welcome to the Kindergarten Weekly Videolog from the 19th to the 22nd of January. Our kindergarten students truly shone at our school carnival event, FamFest, with their super performances, radiating confidence, joy and energy as they celebrated the theme of family. A heartfelt thank you to all our parents for joining us and making the celebration so special. We now have our Pre-KG 8 Tiny Tots to present their learning of the week. They had a great time knowing about different wild animals and creating related crafts too.
In Year W, we learned about wild animals. We explored different wild animals and talked about where they live. In phonics, we learned the sound ch, 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 jelly, ch, ch, ch. In literacy, we learned that the story The Lion, the Mouse. We learned that even small friends can help and kindness is important.
Our little learners spoke with such confidence and joy, making us all proud of their growing communication skills. Our Smart KG1 began learning about the concept of weight. Through interesting hands-on activities, they discovered ways to determine heavy and light objects and compare them. Let's hear our little KG1F learners talk about their week.
In literacy, we really enjoyed learning the story, The Rainbow Fish. We did mark making and put a story in the correct order using a picture card. We also had fun making our own rainbow fish. In phonics, we practiced reading captions.
In numeracy, we learned about weight. Weight tells us if something is heavy or light. We have used weighing scale to check the weight. The heavy object goes down, the light object goes up. It was fun learning about weight.
In UW, we continue to explore different stations about water, like rain, waterfall, river, pond, and many more.
It definitely is amazing to see our young learners share their learning journey with such enthusiasm and expression. This week, our KG2 learners were introduced to procedural writing. They were quick to understand and follow the different steps and independently completed related tasks. Let's listen to the KG2 8 students share what they have learned.
In this week in numeracy, we learned about fracts and quarter. And we also wrote the number name for 16. At this week in literacy, we did procedure writing. For example, we learn how to make pocket and we practice steps like first, next, then and last. This week in UOW, we learn about melting and freezing. Children observe that ice freezes in the freezer, melts when they kept outside. This week in phonics, we learned the ear trigraph using flashcards. We practiced the words like ear, near and fear. And also, we wrote ear words and sentences.
The way our children express themselves so brilliantly shows how meaningfully they are engaging in their learning experiences. 3 fun-filled weeks after our winter break, our kindergarten has been buzzing with happy chatter, curious questions, and lots of little wow moments. The children have jumped back into routines with confidence, explored new ideas through play, and filled our classrooms with creativity and laughter. From busy hands to bright smiles, every day has been a celebration of learning. As we move into our final term, we are excited for many more adventures, discoveries, and magical moments. Because in kindergarten, learning is always full of fun. That's all for now for our busy, happy kindergartners. See you next week for more fun, learning, and laughter. Bye-bye.